In this tutorial, I'll walk you through copying a Discord server. So let's start. To start, ensure you're the server owner. If not, share this guide with them. Navigate to your server and access server settings by clicking the server name in the top left. Then click on Server Template on the left-hand side. Create a template to generate a link for others to copy your server. You will see what the template includes and what it doesn't. Give it a title and description. Then click Generate Template to obtain the link. Share this link to allow others to copy your server. Alternatively, if you want to copy the server yourself, click Preview Template, upload an image, name the server, and review the channels. Then click Create to finalize it. That's it! And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.